Oh, I just so delicate. Oh, give it up. Nothing you can do is stronger than that. Volcano copper. Oh, ow, ow. See, how like those apples. Pretty good. Even without your powers, you still got those skills. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. And now I'm gonna give you all four. Stop! Oh. No, stop it. I'm really gonna kill you. Fiona. No. No. Stop this. Fiona. Come on. Listen to me. Stop. No. Stop, Fiona. Stop it. No. No. Stop, Fiona. Stop, Keisha. No. Keisha, stop. I told you not to call me Keishana. My name is Fiona, not Keishana. Where you got that name from? Ow! Where you got Keishana from? From school? A girl named Keishana? Shut up! I kill you like the rest of them. No. You shut up. Oh. Now you shut up. You just a weakling. Face it. You had no business here.